You might have seen those miniature food preparation videos that are currently trending across Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create them yourself. So, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to name globally famous foods. It will generate a list of popular food items from around the world. Once you have that list, head over to our free master prompt, which is available in the video description. You can also find the same master prompt in our Telegram channel. Simply copy the entire prompt. Next, open Google Flow. Before pasting the prompt, make sure your settings are configured correctly. Select Video as the generation mode. Choose Omni Flash as the model. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and make sure the video prompt is set to 1x. Once everything is configured, paste the complete master prompt into Google Flow. Now, locate the food item section inside the prompt and replace it with any food from the list generated by ChatGPT. For this demonstration, I'll use hot dog. Simply replace the placeholder with your chosen food item and click Generate. After a short wait, your final video will be ready. As you can see, the quality is excellent. Simply download the generated video. Using this exact same process, you can create an unlimited number of miniature food preparation videos for any type of food you want. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.